Hey guys, what's up? We're the Open Box Brothers, and today we're back with another loot crate. It's our second one.
Part 2 to the loot crate. Let's see what we got inside.
Let's see what's inside.
It's
guys,
nope, don't tell me. I know
what it is. I know what it is.
It's Scooby-Doo themed.
Yeah, look. It's Scooby-Doo.
And looks like we got a few Fallout things. I already have a few Fallout things from this. So you know what? I'm gonna go with the fancy stuff first. Fancy pouch.
Aquaman.
Oh, Aquaman, like the movie. Aquaman.
Like movie Aquaman.
So, let's see what's inside. Whoa.
That's so cool. Look, guys, this is Aquaman, and I'm pretty sure this is his enemy.
Black Manta. I'm gonna put that in my coin collection.
Okay, you can have that, and I'm having this.
It's a sweet pouch though. It's a poster.
Oh yeah, what kind of toy is it?
Let me get it.
No, I got it. It is. It's Scooby-Doo themed.
Oh.
Scooby-Doo.
That's actually pretty cool. Wait.
What's their van?
Oh, it's their bus.
It's their van.
Exclusive loot crate item, 50 years it says.
I'm keeping this. This is good.
Next item.
Good stuff.
We have a Scooby-Doo loot pin.
Loot pin. We did have a pin last time. Last time we had a Jaws pin.
Scooby snacks. I'm gonna put that with my Jaws pin we got last time.
Okay, our next thing is Fallout. I don't know what's in here. Okay, there's like two things in
This
here.
looks like a giant statue. And there's a stand.
And then here is our Mr. Fallout Man. He's pretty buffed up.
Agreed.
126. Cool. It's a game. Fallout's a game. Oh my goodness, he's metal. It's not plastic. That's real.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think we finally got it on now.
Here's my other Fallout collectible I have. Here,
Okay,
guys, we have a Farscape bumper sticker. I don't think we've ever had one of that in our videos. That's pretty cool to see.
Okay. Our last thing is a shirt. It's a visit the friendly neighbor of Queens.
It's a Spider-Man shirt.
That might fit Landon.
In size small. Alright, time to put it on. Alright guys, look at that Spider-Man tee. Alright, copping the new merch. Let's go over least favorites and favorite items of this. I'll go first. And I'm gonna say my favorite item is probably gonna be the giant jacked up scuba diver Fallout guy with his little stand. It's pretty cool. I don't really have a least favorite. We don't really have least favorites with these loot crates. It's full free stuff of collectibles and stuff. But I did really like this little pouch that I can use. Yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed the. Oh wait, no, you gotta go.
Okay, so my favorite was this, and if you don't know what this is, it is the Scooby-Doo poster that I will be hanging up in my room. Yeah.
Anyways, guys, that concludes our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell. If you guys want to see a dog treat video next, make sure you hit that like. Let's get to 10 likes in 24 hours.
Okay,
that's a
guys.
challenge.
That's the end of our video. Hope you liked, and have a Scooby-Doo day.